Right, we've obviously talked about the fact of removing the handle. Most of the times obviously we will, but there's many occasions where we can't remove the handle, so I'm going to show you how we do something like this, obviously. Cool, let's do it. Right, we could obviously use tape for masking the majority of the handle. This is quite an awkward handle because of the shape of it. There is a far easier way. Take a bit of tin foil, scrunch and done. So now what we do is we take 25mm. Reason being is we've got this little bit here. So what we're going to do is put this tight up to obviously the actual handle. So now when we've done that, see what I mean? Then what we've done is we worked out that 38 is probably the easier one to get around, and it's also deep enough to come right into here. So we just take a gauge on this, probably, yeah, that's probably enough. The trick is for us is to come up the easiest side first, because you've now got the tension, and that was easy. Come across the top, come down the side, come under the bottom, there you go. So we've got that all the way around, and then all we're going to do is just scrunch in, job done.